What's up guys, Sam is here. In this video guys, I will show you how you can install tweaks for free guys. No jailbreak, no computer required for this. Supports iOS 11 to 11.4, iOS 10 and iOS 9 for free guys. So yeah guys, without any further ado, let's just jump in. Alright guys, I didn't make any updated video on tweaks in a while, so I decided to make one. Alright guys, first of all go to Safari. The link is mentioned in the description down below. As always, make sure to open the link in Safari browser, not the YouTube application. So now this is the iOS.hipstore.mobi, the old one, Hipstore, which you use to get the paid apps, as which is super good. So yeah guys, these are all the apps that you can get. Now some of them work, but some of them does not work, but mostly of them does work. So there's a lot of them, so you can check all of them. But I will get movie box from here. Just tap on download now. You will get the pop-up now. Just tap on install. Now it will just stay on waiting. It will not show the download progress here, but it's downloading in the background, so you just have to be patient. It's downloading the app in the background. So let's just get another one from here. Instagram++, download now, pop up, just tap on install and it will begin to install it in the background. So guys, it's downloading in the background, but it's not showing here, so you just have to be and patient until they are downloaded. There you go guys. Once they are done, you need to trust them. So just go to settings, then you're gonna go to general, then scroll down, go to profiles and device management or device, just tap on that, tap on the profile, tap on trust again, and the apps are now verified, so you can launch them now. Let's just launch movie box. As you guys see, working perfectly fine, so you can watch your favorite movies from here. This is one of my favorite guys applications to watch movies and to download them. This really is one of the best ones, so that is really cool. And Instagram++, of course, that is working as well. That's how you can get apps. So yeah guys, if you like this video, please be sure to smash the like button down there. That is important for me. It means a lot for me. And make sure to hit that red subscribe button if you're a new subscriber for tons of new videos and updates regarding the jailbreak for iOS 11.3.1 Electra. As always guys, Sam is here signing out.